Bumili lang kami ng mga kailangan.
I like this one, cordless, no strings.
Which one is cordless?
Man. Good morning, Philippines!
So, punta lang kami sa Walmart and I will see you later. Bibilhin lang namin yung not important. Hopefully, we're not gonna go crazy, guys, kasi iwan ko na lang. Whatever, Tommy. Pagka hard-head yun ni mo, oy. We will see you guys later, okay?
I'm the hard-headed.
Did you open the garage?
She's the one, no key, I'm the hard-headed. Who goes to the car without a car key?
You do.
Any of you guys do that? Ever?
Oh, God. He always, oh my God.
Any of you guys go get in your car without a car key? That's my question.
I'm going to the Philippines now.
Okay, then you won't have to worry about getting in your car without a car key.
You will be happy because you have another one.
Yeah.
Ay, nako.
Yeah, you're not cold.
Dito na kami. Let's see kung makita natin yung blinds. I think right here, over there. This way here. Oh, this is a nice bag. A nice luggage, Nice one. Right here. This one here. Nice clock, big one. No? Tatlo. Ang mahal, guys, 35 each. Grabe. Maybe under here. You look under there? That's brown though. Ang daming magagandang ano dyan. Tatlo lang ito, guys. Tatlo lang yung sa ano, dapat apat. Tatlo lang. Wala na silang extra. Wala kaming makita, guys. Yung isa na lang na window. I think dapat mo siyang i-request or orderin. Kasi yung size. Okay.
You think they do 46, 48, a 2-inch increment, then we'd go to 50. You know, it's possible with just this place doesn't carry 50.
Tapos na kami dito, guys. Uwi na kami.
Besides, I would have preferred this.
I prefer this one, not this one.
That was the only one they had in 58. $22.
He says to keep that receipt for just in
In
case.
case they don't fit.
In case they don't fit, right?
And you can bring them back.
Yeah. Pauwi na kami kasi ano, tawag nito. Sabi ko. Buti na lang, hindi kami masyadong bumibili ng marami. Ito lang yung binili namin. Hindi naman masyadong marami. Bumili lang kami ng mga kailangan.
I like this one, cordless, no strings.
Which one is cordless?
Always.
All of this you got? Cordless?
These.
Oh.
No strings, just push them up, pull them down. It stops in place.
Okay. Oh, that's for the bedroom. Yes. Oh, yes. We are home and you know what I got? We got well, actually, I got the spray because ipakita ko sa inyo kung bakit ginawa ko to. And also, Tommy got because he is just so picky when it comes to hand soap in the bathroom. So he got 2 of this. He like the kind of like a foaming, honey? Foam? Huh?
Yeah, foaming soap.
Foaming soap. When you dispense it, it's foam come out. And the one that we have over here, it's really nice. But he is so, I don't know why. And also, I don't know why he got this garlic parmesan. Han?
Yeah.
Where did you hear from that? You just saw it, right? Blackened seasoning. What's blackened seasoning? And I got, guys, for air freshener, the unstoppable Nawahan Downy. And also for the bathroom, for upstairs and here, this is the unstoppable feverish. And Tommy got a this one is the frosted mini. So ito yung nabili namin. Maganda ito guys, as unstoppable. I-try niyo ito guys. Pwede kayong maglagay nito. Konti. Ilagay niyo dito sa sprayer na ito. And then, lagyan niyo ng tubig. May mga ano naman dito. Lagyan niyo ng tubig at saka i-shake niyo lang siya hanggang ma-melt. And then, pwede na niyo siyang konti. Yung like sa mga couches. Hindi marami kasi hindi naman talaga ito para pang magandang amoy lang. Magbigay lalot na kapag may bisita kayo. Maganda daw to. So, nakita ko lang sa YouTube kung ano yung mga home remedies na ginagamit ninyo. And then, pwede nyong gawing yung air freshener and mix it. That's his office. He's over there. Hi, little boy. Dada, look at Dada. Scary. Oh, what? Such a boy. Just a baby. Oh my God, you Dada like a baby. I don't like that. I'm jelly. Look at this licking his paw. I don't like it. Oh my God, don't kiss that paw. Oh my God. He's such a baby.
That little cutie bug.
Be careful with that thing. The furniture that's really sensitive. What are you doing in here? What is she? Oh, whoa, this she. Din time. Okay, I'm gonna wash your dishes. Okay, wash your dishes now. Watch. Chacha, ale. You smell the jackfruit you did. You smell the jackass. Daddy, you're such a jackass. Rox, Daddy is not nice to you, Rox. Not nice to you. Yes, he is not nice to my jackass.
Oh, turkey.
Turkey do, turkey da. Turkey do, turkey da.
Not even open. You get the first of the turkey. Just got a pull thing. Somebody gets turkey. Let's see if somebody gets excited when I pull out the turkey. My little man.
Guys, he loved that little boy. Instead of going out for cigarette, hala ka diha. Hala.
When he's so gentle, make sure he doesn't bite me.
He never really hurt.
No, sometimes you can overbite trying to get the food.
I forgot to close the refrigerator, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Naghihintay din yan. Naghihintay din yan.
Give it some different lips. Lips.
Hi, dear. Baby ni Mama. Ah, you're a pig. Are you a pig?
You give Dimple some, I want it.
Hello, he's gonna get it. Hello. God. Hello, he lifted and he looked at Dimple.
I knew he would do that.
Nini na kulang.
Why do you think he got on my shoulder?
Hello ka din. Hala. No, Dimples, hurry up. Eat it fast. Now he's gonna eat Dimples quick.
Dobbs. Hero.
He's a pig. Are you a pig? Are you a pig? A piggy root. Look, guys. They're going over there. Look.
Okay, you ready?
Ang bango, guys. Tapos na, guys. Done. So good. Nanonood lang ako ng It's Jody Time. Ang tummy is still continuing. Blur. continue up there in our bedroom. And hala, at ito yung ano natin. Tomato harvest. Ang laki, guys. Ang laki, grabe. Ang laki, bigay ng kapitbahay. Tinawag ako. Ang lakas ng ano niya, busis kasi maingay yung naglo-lawn mower yung asawa niya. So yes, binigyan ako ng kapitbahay ko. Nag-barbecue tayo, guys. Ito yung minarinate ko kahapon. Barbecue lang natin. Grill. Ang bango, guys. May mga onion kasi at garlic.
One of the blinds was broken. So you got a that I can't remember.
Look, host, give us something. Look at the table. Look at the table right here in our kitchen. Somebody give us something. Right here, in front of your nose.
Oh, tomatoes?
She called me Maryann.
That was nice, Art.
Yes, thank you. So that's nice, right?
Yeah.
So I guess, guys, we have to return that blinds. Oh yeah.
They thought I was just feeding.
Yeah. Taking a picture before shooting. It's ridiculous. I-do natin ito sa
I guess salt, pepper.
Kain tayo, guys.
These kids really didn't get food?
Not yet. Ang sarap ng pork. The whole yesterday and night. And where Andrea?
Gonna go to a wake.
Alone?
Father or somebody from work.
Isa uli namin yung ano, yung other blind kasi it won't fit. I don't know, won't fit or
broken.
oh, it's broken.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you, for a moment even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. See you, for a moment even hope that I can feel you.
So, hanap-hanap lang tayo ng what part of pants. So, hopefully, meron sila. Sana meron sila. Kung wala, hindi na lang kami iwan ko. Hopefully, they have. Oh, it's right here. Oh, no. The 50 something. 50, 48.
46 is big.
Huy, not 50. The other one. The other
58. They don't
bathroom.
have a 50. Well,
58.
See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Now I'm finally right here with you.
This is nice. This is nice. It's electric. It's 2600. It's 27 really. It's nice looking thing. This one, oh, it's big. 1700.
yeah, it's Cub Cadet.
Get one before they go. Look, check out great deals. Look, do you know how much is this? I like the color though. This is what you say the sale one. It's two. Tingin-tingin lang kami ng furniture, baka mag-sale sila. Kasi tapos na ang summer. Sa mga addict lights, dami guys, oh. Daming lights dito din, yung kitchen. So guys, kinakat lang siya.
What's the largest they have? Like 70?
I really like that. I like that one too. And I like this cuteness of this, oh. Oh. Oh my god, Han, look at this, Han. It's huge. This is huge, huh? 3,000 bucks. This is so big. This is so big.
That is a nice.
Nice looking one. Ultima. Nice Cub Cadet. Oh my god. On the way home na kami, and I'm going to end this vlog in the car. Thank you guys so much for watching into this vlog, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Say good night, and bye bye.
Hi guys.